how to compare before and after images in FaceApp. Want to see just how much your selfie has transformed? Here's how to compare before and after images in FaceApp with a single swipe. Start by launching the FaceApp, then select a photo from your gallery or snap a new selfie using the app's camera. Use one or more filters like ease, smile, makeup, or hairstyle. Choose any. You can add the ease like this, tap and apply. You can add a makeup like this. Once you add makeup, tap and apply. You can change hairstyles like this. You can change it to long or short. Once you change, tap and apply. Now to view the comparison, tap and hold your edited image like this. This temporarily shows the original photo, letting you see the before image like this. Release your finger to return to the after version like this. Isn't this easy? Just like this, you can see the original picture like this. And that's how you instantly compare before and after images in FaceApp, a fun way to appreciate every transformation. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and comment which filter made the biggest difference for you.